This is not good, this cold. It ain't that good at all. I don't know how long it's going to last for, but I'm sweating right now. I'm actually sweating right now, and I've been sneezing all for the last 3 hours. I'm surprised I haven't actually caught. I should have caught some of these on camera, but I haven't. Well, there we go. We have a cough. I'm not coughing as much as I was, and I am feeling a slightly bit better tonight. I'm not so happy because I've got to clean my room tomorrow, and I don't really want to do that because of how I'm feeling. But I'm going to have to try and get to it somehow. Anyway, sorry guys, there wasn't much coughing in that. As I could say, my cough is actually nearing better now, but that's, I'm afraid, all I can do for tonight. As I'm very sleepy, the tablets I've taken almost knocking me out. So hopefully I should be feeling up quite a bit better tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.